Hey, today we are going to learn an interesting project in Scratch 2 offline editor, and we are going to learn how can we create an aquarium scene. Isn't it interesting? So let's get started. So as we are going to learn how to make an aquarium scene, so we don't need this sprite. So first let's delete it, and to delete the sprite, from the toolbar select the option delete and delete it. Done. Now we are going to change the backdrop. So here we have four different options to choose a new backdrop. We are going to click here from library, and here we choose the theme underwater, and in underwater we choose this underwater tree. Click on OK. So our backdrop is ready, but we can see here we have two backdrops. We don't need one. So we are going to click here on this cross. So now we can see our backdrop is ready. So we need a sprite here. We need a fish here. So here we have the option to insert a new sprite. Click here, and we can again choose here underwater, and here I am going to click this fish tree. You can choose any, so I am choosing this fish tree. Let's place a little here. Here we have the options to increase or decrease the size of fish. So I am going to show you how you can do it. So let's choose first shrink. And if you need to decrease the size of the sprite, you need to click on the sprite. So moment you will click, it will decrease in the size. And if you want to increase the size of the sprite, you can click on this grow and you can follow the same steps. When our backdrop is ready, sprite is added. The next step is to have script for this sprite. So let's do that. Click on this event. I want this animation to happen when I am clicking on flag. So when flag is clicked, and here in the control block, choose forever. And after forever, we can choose this wait also. You can change the number from 1 to 2 or zero point 0.5 according to your choice. Then click on this motion, choose move 10 steps, and I want that it should change to the next costume as well. And for changing that, we can click here on looks, and here is the script. Next costume, click and snap it here. So let's just see first these three steps, how they are working. And something interesting which you can do is here in the costume, if you see, we can create a new costume here. By choosing again the underwater and choosing the same fish and just change the color. This is our costume 1, and here we can change the color. Here we can see it is more or less like any paint software. So I'm just changing the color, changing it to blue or any color of your choice. You can choose it. Just changing the color of the fins. It's done. So let's see the script here, that when I'm clicking on this flag, this fish is moving and changing the costume. You can see the fin color is being changed to pink and then blue. Okay, now let's click on stop. Let's move it here. Now, after this, something interesting we are going to learn here is the sensing. Click on the sensing, and before that, here we need to have this if block also, that I want when this fish touches this pink color, it should turn 180-degree. So for this, we need to use the sensing block. And here in the sensing block, we have color is touching script. Click and snap it here in between. By default, there will be some other color and we need to change these two colors, this first blue color and this green color. So if we read the script, it says if color blue is touching green, then what should happen? Whatever we will write here, whatever we will snap here, that script will work. So here I need to change the color. How to change the color? Just simply click on it and you will see your pointer, mouse pointer. Earlier it was like this, and when you click on it, it will turn to a hand. Bring it here, and moment you bring your mouse pointer here, you can see in the script the color is changing. So I don't want these color. I want when this fish boundary is touching this pink color. So that means I need to change this green color to pink. So again, click here. You can see the pointer has been changed to hand, and just simply click here. Now what should happen when this black color is touching this pink color? I want that it should turn 180-degree. So as I told you, we can change these number also. So from 15-degree, I'm changing it to 180-degree. And after this also, I want that it should move. So I'm clicking this move and snapping it here after the if block. So let's see how our project is working. So you can see its color is changing. It's changing the costume. And now let's see if it is touching. You can see it has turned 180-degree and it is moving back. Now let's see if it touches the other pink colors, so something happens or not. Yes, you can see that it is again turning back, turning it 180-degree. So isn't it very simple and interesting project which you can do, which you can learn? So keep learning, keep exploring. Thank you.